to get it without the bass in the background and it's going along. Sounds kind of plain.
Sounds cool.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, that's what I'm saying. Is like kind of like I let it ring out a little bit when the shredding was happening. All that stuff. So.
Yeah.
Is that good? Let me see the drums gonna stop. Come around for me. That's why you're here today.
Alright.
He has no rights. I know this dude from the 696. But all his money in the gas. All his money in on a sack of weed. Put all his money in on everything that he wants.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Can I get a taller mic?
Good. This is bad. Dirk Bentley riser.
I might hook this up. Clean up.
Right, I fucked up like 5 times.
Dual.
Hey, Charlie. Oh, that's not a rapper.
Dual round.
What
Dual round. Time to get it
Yeah,
down.
talking about the worst. The next song is called Shotgun. Shooting before you run down.
Shooting before you run.
Shoot it before you run out.
But regardless, we don't sing this song, so
So how does
have at it.
Shotgun? What kind of song is it? Like rock?
However you want.
Alright, go ahead.
Yeah.
Shotgun! I hope you will ride down onto the other side, 'cause I'll blow your mind with that shotgun. I'll
Yeah, this fool's lyrics too didn't sound too bad with the song actually. It sounded. I almost thought.
like its own song.
I almost thought Steve was saying shotgun.
Sounded like it. Go play uptown? I was kidding.
Let's go. Look at this guy.
I like